Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is lecture 21 for investment and financial institution. Investment and portfolio analysis course. We'll be learning today an article, a summarized article, which I have summarized for you guys, so that you do not need to study more than what you need. We have already learned about the efficient capital market hypothesis, which mentions that markets need to be efficient to be conducted or to be performed, but today we will learn about the adaptive market hypothesis, market efficiency from an evolutionary perspective, which is written by Mr. Andrew W. Lowe. In this article, Mr. Andrew Lowe presents the adaptive market hypothesis, which offers a new perspective or a new paradigm on market efficiency by incorporating ideas from evolutionary biology and psychology. It is a new paradigm that reconciles market efficiency with behavioral economics. It challenges the traditional efficient market hypothesis, which assumes that markets always incorporate all available information and are perfectly efficient. The author argues that market participants, like biological organisms, adapt to changing environments, and he suggests that market efficiency is not a static state but rather a dynamic process influenced by various factors, including competition, innovation, learning, and natural selection. The adaptive market hypothesis emphasizes the role of human behavior, emotions, cognition in shaping market outcomes. The author discusses how human biases such as overconfidence and herding can lead to market inefficiencies and create opportunities for profit. The author also emphasizes that the behavior of market participants is not always rational or driven solely by information, but can also be influenced by psychological factors. The study also explores the concept of evolutionary drift, which refers to market changes driven by random events rather than rational decision making. We have also mentioned that markets undergo periods of adaptation, exploration followed by stability and exploitation, rather than always being in equilibrium. So, mentioning evolutionary drift, which refers to market changes driven by random events rather than rational decision making. The author also argues that markets are not always in equilibrium, but rather undergo periods of adaptation, exploration, followed by periods of stability and exploitation. Furthermore, the article highlights the importance of feedback mechanisms in markets, such as learning from past experiences and adjusting strategies accordingly. Mr. Lowe suggests that investors and market participants can adapt their behavior and strategies to changing market conditions, leading to evolution of market dynamics over time. Overall, the adaptive market hypothesis proposed by Mr. Lowe offers an alternative perspective on market efficiency by integrating concepts from evolutionary biology and psychology. It emphasizes it also have implications for understanding bubbles and crashes, financial regulation, and ultimately for portfolio management. And finally, the adaptive market hypothesis challenges the notion of perfect market efficiency assumed by the efficient capital market. Rather, it emphasizes on human behavior biases and learning in shaping market outcomes. Thank you very much for attending today's class. This is the last topic for investment and analysis course and portfolio analysis course, and hopefully you'll do good in the final. Good luck for the final examination. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.